uh, can you see this? Fro and Mihaly, Csikszentmihalyi. Mihaly, Csikszentmihalyi. This is the name of a Hungarian psychologist who died on October the 20th this year. He was a researcher, a psychologist, a scholar, I may say, who did a lot of research on creativity, human creativity, and the very concept that everybody, almost everybody recognizes his contribution to the field of psychology, especially creativity. Human creativity is the concept of flow, the flow experience. That basically, when you do reading, when you read books, when sometimes you are so absorbed into the activity, you will forget about the time, you will forget about even yourself. You you are actually flowing along the line of something. I mean, this particular experience is necessary for you to come up with something new. You need to, it's a kind of meditation. Actually, when you meditate, you are so concentrate, is the focus on something that you have. So the flow experience is very important for you to read and to write something. In creative writing, we usually talk about this kind of experience. For example, when you compose a poem, let's say a haiku. A haiku is like a puzzle. It is a problem that you need to tackle through the use of your creativity, your language ability, and your motivation. Okay, if you are going to complete a good one, a good haiku, sometimes you need to focus your attention on something like the concept of the air, the surrounding, looking around, observing your surrounding, and you have to focus on your goal. And then sometimes uh, it's so intense that sometimes you forget the time. You even forget who you are. You are following this line of thought, the line of idea. So it's really difficult to explain, but in order to experience the flow energy or the flow experience, you need to uh, do something. You need to develop your ability to notice things and to, uh, for example, you write a poem. That's why creativity can be enhanced by creative activities in language learning. When you read books, uh, let's say a novel, a fictional book, sometimes you are so absorbed, you are so focused that you forget the time, and you could spend hours and hours thinking about something. It stick in your mind. And the same can be said about creative writing. When you are in the middle of, for example, you're writing a short story and you haven't quite finished it, there's something nagging in your mind that you really want to get it. You have, you want to, come up with something, uh, appropriate, something that you can live with, something that you are happy about. So the I'm introducing uh, this author to you. Okay, Mihaly, uh, Csikszentmihalyi. I mean, not easy to pronounce He's a Hungarian descent, living in the US, and he passed away on October the 20th, 2021 this year at the age of around 87 or 88, I'm not quite sure. But his legacy remains with us, the concept of flow experience. Thank you for watching. I'm Janpha Thadphoothon. Oh, by the way, um, you may wonder about the show. This is English in the Garden. English in the Garden. I'm Janpha Thadphoothon. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.